Hello, my name's William Hugh. I'm a Welsh learner, and to that effect I'll be checking out a different Welsh word every day. Feel free to join me. And today's word is, by popular request, the longest place name in Wales. Llanfair Pwll Gwyngyll Gogerich Wyndrabw Llantysilio Gogogoch. The official translation of which is St Mary's Church in the hollow of the White Hazel, near to the fierce whirlpool of St Tysilio of the Red Cave. Llanfair Pwll Gwyngyll Gogerich Wyndrabw Llantysilio Gogogoch.